KSB Capital Group is one of the largest asset management businesses in the MENA region and provides fund management services in a broad range of asset classes. Here to discuss how the group has developed in recent years is CEO Ibrahim M Al Alwan. Ibrahim, welcome.
Thank you, Nick.
So tell us about KSB Capital Group and what makes you different from the competition.
From the beginning, we believe that we have to have a niche market. We have to differentiate ourselves compared with our competitors and to be a leader in new sectors. And after we made a lot of search in the market, and we see the real estate investment was not so developed and not well served by the existing player in the market. So we focused on this area, and we starting to have a new products for real estate, and we create a real estate investment funds based on the new regulation from the CMA, the Capital Market Authority in Saudi. So we launched the first closed-ended real estate fund, and it was really successful at that time, and we did good performance in this fund, and this gave us an advantage over our competitors because we have a niche market and we have new products in the market. Even our competitors, they didn't have it. So this add value for us, and we believe that we are a pioneer in this sector.
What can you tell us about how your approach to asset management has developed in recent years? In
the beginning, we start with a simple project for a real estate investment funds, but after we did some funds, after that we believe that we have to go to next stage of having like multi assets in or multi projects in one fund, and also we starting to increase the term of the fund itself. We're starting with short term, but after that investors starting to be convinced to have funds with more than 2, 3, 5 years, which is give us more flexibility regarding the investment activities.
We've talked about your asset management approach. What can you then tell us about your corporate governance philosophy?
Corporate governance for sure is very important. From the beginning of starting the company, we focus on having the to apply the corporate governance in good manner, and because it really helps us in having the balance between all the stakeholders regarding clients, staff, the regulators, and also the public. So to have all these in balance by applying the corporate governance, it helps us a lot to get benefit of this relationship.
You touched on the new regulations. What impact do you think they will have?
With the new regulations, that we see the improvement in the practice in the market. We see how the investment banks starting to focus more on giving good products, focusing also on how to mitigate investors about risks. All these really was we noticed that once the new regulation regarding the corporate governance and even the investment activities, which improve the market. However, at the same time, we have obligation at the investment banks, with the new regulations and with the new corporate governance rules, make more. You have to hire more people to have like in the risk management and in the corporate governance as activities. So all these need to spend and to give more time to have to be comply with the new regulation.
Now, looking at the asset management sector in Saudi Arabia at large, how has it changed in recent years, do you think?
Recent years, we noticed that we're starting to see products for individuals. In the past, most of the products in the investment management and the investment side, it's focused on the family business and the institutions. Right now, we notice that new products, the competitions coming to the market, so the market's developed, and we notice a lot of asset under management right now coming from the individuals, and even for the family offices, they starting to be convinced with the local investment banks to invest with them.
And what's your future outlook both for the asset management sector in Saudi Arabia and the strategic vision for KSB?
In the beginning, we was focusing on how to prove ourselves and how we gain the trust from the investors and our clients. Right now, we are trying to target new markets. We're targeting also new products. Right now, especially in real estate, so Saudi Arabia, we don't have like REITs, real estate investment trust. So we are focusing on want to be the main player or the first introducer for this product to the market. This in one area. And the other area regarding the corporate banking also, we focus in the private equity. A lot of investors, they want to have a partnership to have activities in the private equity and have some shares of these companies and offer it to public or to private investors. This is, I think this is the future for the market in Saudi Arabia.
Ibrahim, thank you.
Welcome.